Amanita muscaria, a magical mushroom that is pictured everywhere. You see it with Mario, you see it with Santa, and many think it's pictured with Jesus. It's also inspired Alice in Wonderland. It possibly inspired and is the root of many religions. Reindeer love eating them, and so did the Vikings before a fun outing. With its magical properties and iconic image, why wouldn't you want a pack of mini mushrooms to use in your DIY projects? We ordered a pack, and they come shipped to your door with 160 varying sizes of the awesome Amanita muscaria mushroom. There's so many of them that you'll have more than enough to work with on multiple projects. And although there are many, they're realistic looking. If you flip them over and look on the bottom, you can even see the gills. And they're even the right type. They have bigger mini mushrooms, mini mushrooms, and everything in between. Since we got this pack of mushrooms, we've been doing lots of fun craft projects. For instance, we used the smaller pieces to make our own custom mushroom earrings. You can use them to make a little mushroom garden scene. Or you can get creative and design your own mushroom ball. Or get bored and decide to make some mushrooms instead. The options are endless. These mushrooms are made out of resin and aren't going to fade on you. So the colors will remain vibrant and your work will last a long time. So if you're looking to craft your own magical mushroom scene, then this pack of mini mushrooms might just be for you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go design some more mushrooms, slap a price tag on them, and then put them on the shelves of a Goodwill. They're about to be so confused. See ya.